This explains crypto's price action perfectly. Disappointing ETF decisions by SEC blamed for Bitcoin sell-off. So it seems the market is just reading into this headline completely unaware of what is actually going on, right? We've seen this a million times. These are the deadlines when the SEC has to respond. So they punted on the first deadline, right? They have another one upcoming in October. They have another one in January, and then the last one in March, right? They have to answer by March. Now, this is what analysts are saying. CNBC analysts forecast a green light for all Bitcoin spot ETFs this fall. Bloomberg analysts give 75% chance of approval this year. So these analysts believe it's going to happen sooner than March 2024, but the market is selling off on something that many knew would probably happen. Now, this speaks to where the market psychology is usually wrong and how it's generally an opportunity for investors, right? In pink, we see the short-term holder supply. In blue, we see the long-term holder supply. I absolutely love this chart because what it shows is how wrong short-term holders are all the time, right? We are at an all-time low. People are fleeing the Bitcoin market. That is very exciting if you're a contrarian investor because look at how wrong the short-term holder supply has always been, right? Buy here when they're selling, make a fortune. Buy here when they're selling, make a fortune. Buy here when they're selling, make an absolute fortune. Buy here when they're selling, at least get a nice rip. And now here they're selling again. So what does that mean? It just means people are selling at the wrong time. Clearly, the market doesn't understand what a lot of us do, right? Now, let's dive through the growth of these assets. This is where it gets exciting, right? The Chili's application, Socios, has 2 million registered users globally, right? Just keeping you posted, massive partnerships for Chili's, and then Polygon, obviously some of the biggest partnerships of the world and growing, right? Airline giant Lufthansa launches NFT loyalty program on Polygon. A lot of this stuff people are completely sleeping on, but this is the future. Absolutely exciting for early stage investors.